What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to design this shadow effect on your screen, and this gonna look really good. And let's get design this one right now. So open the pixelLab app, the link in the description below, and we will choose the perfect YouTube channel banner size over here. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna choose this side over here. And before we go to effects, we will have to choose some really nice good background. So I'm gonna go to the colors right now, and I'm gonna choose some really good pretty background. This looks really nice, so I'm gonna choose this one, maybe a little too fader one. Yeah, this one looks really nice. Now as we have a background color over here and nothing on the layers option, we will go and grab a text over here. So I'm gonna write something over here. Let's say I'm gonna write Netflix. So we will write Netflix, and this is our text to apply a 3D or the shadow effects on. Now this doesn't look really nice, so I'm gonna choose caps over here and apply some really good font. So I'm gonna go to fonts right now, and we're gonna choose some really good bold font for Netflix. Let me choose, yeah, this looks really nice, and the text is amazing on the background right now. So yeah, we are all set to apply the shadow effect on this text. So you will have to go to the text effect, and you will go to have to 3D text right on the screen and enable it. Once you do that, you will have to click on oblique, and after that you will have to do the 100% depth on the settings. Once you do that, you can choose the color you want to have for the shadow, and once you set that up, you will have to set where you want the shadow to fall on. So let's see that I want to fall this shadow on this side and darken it 100%. Now make sure you disabled this option right here, the simulating lighting option. Now it will make this shadow look much better. And once you select the angle of the shadow, you're pretty much done right now. And yes, you just have to play around with the shadow and the depth and the darkness of the, and you have to play around with the shadows and the depth and the colors as you like. You can do pretty much everything with those settings, and you're pretty much done with this 3D shadow text, and you can see it looks pretty much really good. Also, you can do that shadow effect on every PNG or any logo of yours that you want to create and have a shadow on like this. You can pretty much do that, and I'm gonna show you that too as well. So I'm gonna have to have a logo over here. Let's say we want to create a shadow on a logo, so I'm just gonna go onto a logo after we show this settings. Okay, let's go to the logo, and I'm gonna go grab a logo into from my galleries. Let's say I'm gonna choose my own logo and this is in the PNG form already. Once I go over here, we will have to apply the same settings. Now you will have to go on the rectangle shape, what kind of a shape it is, yeah, on the pentagon shape, and you will have to apply the same settings as you did. Make the depth 100%, choose the color for according to the background you want, choose the shadow you want to fall on the direction of the fall of this shadow, and disable this simulating lighting option. That's all you need to do, and it's pretty much done with the logo as well. Now you can play around with the shadow effect and how much you want to shadow, and yeah, you are pretty much done with the logo shadow over here. As you can see the settings on the screen, just click OK and you have the shadow. So now you can create some really good banners or maybe thumbnails on these settings, and this is how it looks like.